Hello guys, me Maya from the Investing Hub. Welcome back to another episode where today we're looking at the S&P 500 futures chart. The S&P is currently trading at around 3,976. We are just shy of that 50-day EMA, whereas that's going to be our next area of resistance we are looking to break away from. Now, the S&P 500 has been performing quite well, and I did mention in my previous videos that after the 15th of March, seasonally speaking, is a very good time for the stock market, and this is exactly what's happening. Looking at the 15th of March. After the 15th, we are really trading in an uptrend, and I expect this to continue. Tomorrow, we have the FOMC, which is going to cause a lot of bullish movement, in my opinion. And it's not because of the rate hikes. I know we might not get any rate hikes. A lot of investors are expecting that from the bond market. However, it's the guidance going forward, or the policy that the Fed is going to have over the next few months to come. Now, whether we are going to get a temporary pivot or a long-term pivot, it's still good news for the stock market, especially for the S&P 500. A long-term pivot is obviously going to signal a bullish movement here, but a temporary pivot is going to provide us more time to get more data regarding inflation. What's happening in the financial stocks right now could be very disinflationary, and provided we get inflation going lower, we're going to expect the Federal Reserve to actually change from a temporary pivot into a long-term pivot, which is only going to help the stock market recover and go back up. And my expectation is we might get a temporary pivot, and we might go up to target 4,050, or 4,030, just around where the 0.236 fib area is at now. I really like to participate in this market. I really like the S&P 500. I think Apple is going to perform quite well because 20% of that, and technology stocks are going to perform quite well during these periods of dovish sentiment. Now, I do have a trade open the S&P 500. I do expect the S&P 500 to perform well. So if you guys would like to copy my trades and join my Signal team, please feel free to scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can join my Signal team for a very small fee of $28. And also, speaking about my Signal team, my Signal group is up 29.3%, which is quite incredible. So please, if you feel like you want to copy my trades, please feel free to scan this QR code where you can join my Signal team for a very small fee of $28.